We're known for using ingredients that are rooted in nature, like our medical grade Manuka honey. And our cough syrup has botanicals in it that are particularly noted for resolving a cough or shutting down the cough mechanism. And those are primarily olive leaf extract, elecampane root, licorice root, and ginger root. And those are the botanicals that are in our cough syrup with the medical grade honey that has been shown in clinical studies to improve sleep quality in both adults and in children. And when compared to nothing, when they compared cough syrups to nothing, they got the same result. So ours produced a result. Most cough syrups do the same as taking nothing.